So your decal's arrived and now we need to apply it. I thought I would make just a quick video on how to do that, just to help you out a little bit. So when it arrives, it actually comes with some written instructions, which are perfect, but if you're like me, I'm more of a visual person. So let's pop this decal on and we'll see how to make it happen. So I'm going to be applying this decal to this drink bottle. So what you need to do is grab some rubbing alcohol or maybe some window cleaner and just give the outside of this a bit of a clean. Because what that will do will make your decal stick better and give it a bit of longevity. So while that's drying, grab your decal and grab a gift card or a credit card or something similar to this and just give the top and the bottom a rub. Give it a good rub, because what you want it to do is stick to the transfer tape. Once you've given it a good rub, turn it over and you want to peel the backing away from the transfer tape. And as you can see, it's still stuck to the backing. We want to get it stuck to the transfer tape. If this happens, you can just bend it like that and just press it down. Now peel the backing as close to the bottom as possible. There we go. So once that's off, try not to touch the vinyl. There we go. It's good, ready to go. So now this will, when it's dry, if you're sticking it on a drink bottle, it's always good to pop it on something just to stop it from rolling around. Then you want to just place it on top and just run your finger along the middle and then slowly work it up and down. Now get your credit card out again, give that a good rub. Smooth over it a bit. And then we want to remove the transfer tape. Again, peel that back as close as possible. And there you go. Perfectly adhered. Now I do recommend that you don't wash this, give it like 48 hours to cure and just leave it sitting there. You can use the bottle, but just don't put it in water until then. But always make sure you hand wash as well. Handmade, hand wash. Perfect. And then just go ahead and enjoy. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Otherwise, enjoy your decal.